Another day, another video. Welcome back, guys! In today's video, I will be teaching you how to earn PayPal money by just watching YouTube videos. And by doing this, just by watching these videos, we can earn up to $100 per day. And this method is absolutely free and available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can absolutely do this. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well, so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Okay, so now let's start. First, I want you to go over to youtube.com. And now that we're on YouTube, you can see that there are a lot of different videos recommended for you. And you can watch whatever you like. You have the freedom to choose whatever video you want to click and you want to watch. Now, when you have selected a video, click on it and make sure you stay at least 30 seconds in the video. And after that, you can now earn money. This right here are the payment proofs from people all over the world. And as you can see, they are really earning. And they made this much just by watching YouTube videos. How cool is that? Now you might be wondering, how much can you really earn by doing this method? Well, watching one YouTube video, that is equal to $3. Now, if you watch 10 videos, that is $30. Which means if you watch 50 videos, then that is equal to $150. YouTube is available worldwide, so you can do this method again and again, which means you can earn money again and again. What I also love about this is that you can do this method on your phone or on your tablet. If you have a PC or a laptop, you can do it there as well. Also, I'll be sharing a bonus tip where you can earn 5 times more. So I suggest that you don't skip any part of this video so that you won't miss out on important details. So what I want you to do right now is go over to YouTube, and that is youtube.com. You need to sign into the website. Now, if you don't have an account yet, all you have to do is create a Google account, and that is really easy. Just go over to gmail.com, you can create an email address, and then go over to YouTube and log in. That easy. Now, once you have logged into YouTube, I want you to go here on the left side of the website and then click this 3 bars right here. And then you'll see here below, more from YouTube. You have YouTube Premium, movies, gaming, live, fashion and beauty, sports. The next thing you'll do is click on gaming. Now, there are a lot of different gaming videos every single day, and a lot of viewers watch gaming videos because today the number of gamers are also rising. Aside from that, a lot of people also enjoy watching gaming videos for entertainment. Now, what people don't know is that they can earn money by watching these videos. Okay, right now I'm going to teach you how you can do that, how we can earn money by doing so. What I want you to do is click on this genre right here. I want you to click on Minecraft because a lot of people, like millions and millions of people, are watching Minecraft videos every single day. So just click on this. Then you'll see here a lot of results of Minecraft gameplays. There are videos and there are a lot of different live streams. Next thing you'll have to do is click on one of these live streams right here. So for example, I'll click on this one. And as you can see, there are a lot of people commenting right now because again, Minecraft is really popular. Okay, so right now, in order for us to make money from this, we have to proceed to the next platform. And that is over 7r6.com. Again, that is 7r6.com. 7r6.com is a website where you can shorten URLs and turn them into real money. All you have to do is create an account right here by clicking on this sign up button on the top right hand corner of your screen. And then you'll have to shorten your link, which will be the YouTube link that I'm going to get in a moment, and then we can earn money after that. Okay, so right now let me just show you how you can copy a YouTube URL and convert it here. So let's go back to YouTube to that live stream, that Minecraft live stream, and then here underneath the video you can see a share button right here. I want you to click on that and then you'll see here the link. This is the link to this YouTube live stream. So whenever someone clicks on this link, they will be redirected to this stream right here. So I want you to copy that by clicking on this copy button right here. Now, once you're done copying the link, I want you to go back to 7r6.com. I want you to paste that link here on this bar right here. Click on this green button so that it'll be converted into this. So your link will look something like this. It'll have different characters, of course, but it'll somewhat look like this. And when people click on your link, you will earn money. So 7r6.com has a lot of different payout methods. So they have PayPal right here. They have Bitcoin, Web Money, Perfect Money, and Payeer. Now, if you don't have any of these, then just go to their websites and just sign up for an account. That is really easy, and I know you can do that. It is important for you to create a payout account, okay? Because how can you pay out if you don't have an account, right? Now what I want you to do next is just go over here at the top right hand corner. We are going to sign up. Okay, so I already told you where you can sign up, and it's over here. And then all you have to do is just enter a username, your email address, your password, and re-enter the password. Click on I agree to the terms of service and register. So after you register, you have to log into your account, and once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to this dashboard right here, and this is your dashboard. Since your dashboard is new, like mine, it'll look like this. All of these numbers are 0. Now, in order for us to make money online by using this shortener, this link shortener, I want you to click on this new shorten link. And then the link that we copied from YouTube, just paste it here. Okay, so after you copied and pasted the link here, I want you to write something under alias. And what you'll need to write, or what you need to put in here, is the name of the game, which is Minecraft. So I'm gonna put in here Minecraft and just click on shorten. You'll then have this link, and again, if people click on your link right here, you will earn money. So what I want you to do is go back to YouTube, get about 3 to 4 links, and then paste them here. I need you to shorten a lot of links because a lot of links means a lot of clicks, and a lot of clicks means a lot of money. So what I want you to do after that is go over to the next website. But before we proceed, I want you guys to comment down below if you are a gamer. And if you are, what kind of games do you play? Also, please comment down below which country you come from so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online that'll work in your country. Now let's go back to the video. Okay, let's proceed to the next step. So I want you to go over to steamcommunity.com. Again, that is steamcommunity.com. This is a website where a lot of gamers come together and talk about things. So people from all over the world come over to steamcommunity.com to talk about things, to talk about game strategies, to talk about other games as well. As you can see here, I searched for Minecraft, and a lot of people have been talking about Minecraft. Now that we have this, we can actually pair this with 7r6.com so that people will then click on your link and you can earn money. Now, what you'll need to do is you have to create an account for Steam Community, and that is really easy to do. It's just like signing up for a social media account. Then after that, you have to put up a post about Minecraft or other trending games right now. Then you have to insert your 7r6 link on your post, the link that will redirect them to the video on YouTube. And from there, you'll be getting a lot of clicks from different people all over the world, where you can earn money per click. That means that with only one video, you can earn hundreds of dollars, up to thousands of dollars. Since you've reached this far, I am going to show you guys a template which you can copy and paste. So whenever you post on steamcommunity.com or other gaming forums online, you can copy this template and paste it there. So this is what I created, gaming forum template for copy and paste. So this is an example. Have you seen this amazing insert game name gameplay? This one's really fun and mind-blowing. Let me know what you think. Watch the live stream here. Now I wrote insert game name here because you can use different games. You can use different videos. It all depends on what you think is trending that day. And then you can add your 7R6 link right here. And it'll look like this. Now again, if people click on your link, they will be redirected to the video and you will earn money. And that's it! If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.